IBM's stock plummeted 13.5% in a single trading day, marking its most severe drop since October 2000. In just a few hours, the company lost nearly $500 million in valuation. This shockwave moved through the global market, striking Indian IT giants like TCS and Infosys. Almost simultaneously, an estimated $50 billion in market capitalization evaporated from the top 10 Indian IT firms. Anthropic, a startup with exactly 1,400 employees, precipitated this chaos with a single software update. A global consulting industry built on the labor of thousands found its core business model destabilized by a tiny team deploying a single code release. The financial engine of the IT sector relies on billing Western clients for the human hour. Armies of engineers are contracted to manually maintain legacy systems running on COBOL, an aging programming language used by major banks and government agencies that traditionally requires years of manual labor to modernize. Anthropic claims its new AI model can ingest and modernize these tangled COBOL systems in mere hours. This eliminates the need for the multi-year, multi-million-dollar consulting contracts these IT giants depend on. Raw computational speed has decoupled from human labor time. This shift undermines the foundational mechanics of the global IT services sector. We are witnessing a transition from conversational chatbots to autonomous agents. While a chatbot waits for a human prompt to generate text, an agent is software designed to navigate digital environments and complete complex tasks on its own. Consider the standard process for fixing a broken website link. It typically requires a developer to manually set up a server, connect to a database, and spend hours debugging code line by line. It is a grueling cycle that often consumes 5 to 7 hours of human effort. Claude's Co-work feature now handles this process without assistance. It takes control of the mouse and keyboard to open the site, identifies the bug, and navigates the internal folders and deploys a fix in 15 minutes. AI has evolved into a proactive entity capable of executing an entire project lifecycle independently. View large language models as a digital highway. Traditionally, human-run businesses build applications on these systems, like storefronts along a road. This is changing. AI agents now divide tasks, launch cryptocurrency tokens, and raise funds for server costs, operating without human financial support. Human-led businesses now face competition from self-funding, autonomous digital entities that operate around the clock without the need for management. Vulnerability now extends to the babu class, managers, clerks, and coders, whose professional value is measured in screen-based output. If a job consists entirely of manipulating digital data, an agent can replicate it. Universities are attempting to sell multi-year AI degrees, but theoretical classroom knowledge provides no defense against software that updates its own capabilities every week. The only viable strategy is continuous daily experimentation with these tools on the job. You have to push the software to its limits in real-world scenarios to maintain your relevance. Academic credentials for digital work have lost their protective value. In a world of autonomous software, a degree is no longer a shield against automation. The physical trades represent a sector shielded from this digital shift. Professions like plumbing and carpentry require tactile expertise and real-world problem-solving that digital agents cannot replicate. These hands-on skills are seeing a massive increase in global demand. Desk-based intelligence is becoming a cheap, abundant commodity. Meanwhile, the ability to manipulate the physical world is emerging as a premium, human-exclusive service. The automation of cognitive desk work has inverted our traditional labor hierarchy. Manual expertise in the physical world is now the last remaining human domain.